we go.
So we're riding elevators at the Candlewood Suites in Mooresville, North Carolina.
Yep. This one likes to make different sound effects, don't
It
it?
does. We'll call this a sound effects elevator. Oh, it's got the Schindler beep. Schindler.
The call button. Just a call button.
Yeah.
Yep, this one definitely likes sound effects.
It's a really smooth ride though.
Yeah.
It's just sound effects.
It's probably because it's relatively new.
Yeah.
I think they say they have to get adjusted or something. I don't know.
Yeah. Because the hotel itself is relatively new.
Yeah. Okay. And we're going to end it too?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll get a cat view on the way out. It's a nice, wide, big elevator.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
There it goes. And that's it.